Okay, Nate. All right, we're back here with the Help Lightning technology. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to want you to check out that 24-volt power supply.
Okay.
It's in the cabinet just down from the operator station. I'm going to go ahead and start giving you help. It's going to switch to the rear camera on your device. I'll show you where the power supply is and talking through making the checks that we want to make. So what I'm going to do is this is the 24-volt power supply right there. You see my finger?
I do.
So I'm going to go ahead and freeze your screen so you can free up your hands to work on this, and you can set it down beside, and then I'll guide you through on your screen.
Okay.
Okay, now that's frozen. So now what we're going to do, the first place we're going to check is we're going to check the 120 volt AC coming into it. Can you see my meter leads there in your screen?
I can.
Okay, so we're going to check, right here on that, and set your voltmeter on AC, and then go ahead and tell me what that reads.
I have 123 volts.
Okay, well we've got good voltage coming in. Now we're going to check the 24 volt AC coming out of it. So we're going to want to check from 24A coming out of the supply to the 24C wire, which are these two terminals right here. Check there. You're going to want the red lead on the 24A and the black lead on the 24C.
Okay, we have 23.2 volts.
Okay, that's a little bit low. Let's go ahead and I'm going to have you turn that up. Let me show you where that is here. Right here is the adjustment for that power supply.
Okay.
And you're going to want to turn that clockwise to increase that voltage. I want you to set it to between 24, 24 and a half.
Okay. All right, right now I'm at 24.46.
Okay, that's good. I'm going to go ahead and unfreeze the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and have you show that to me. I just want to double check here.
Okay.
Make sure you understood all that correctly, and we can verify that reading. Okay, so 24.47. If you could pan up and show me where you're testing that. Okay, that is the correct location and leads are set correctly. Okay, well that looks good. So let's go ahead and button up that cabinet, and I'll go ahead and have you test the machine. If you've got any further issues with that, you can go ahead and give me a call back. But that should take care of your issue. Okay.
Great. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.